Hi, how's it going, guys? So, had a lot of death threats from like vegans and stuff about always killing animals and stuff, so thought we'd do an update on the things that we have around here that are actually alive. So we're gonna go have a look around at the animals and stuff. We've got new lambs and all that stuff, so I'm gonna show you that, and yeah.
This is the newest little kids. They're still waiting to be named.
So if anyone's got any ideas, hook us up with a name. 3 names actually.
So there's 1 boy and 2 girls in there.
Here we've got the alpacas.
Hello, Rebecca.
Here we've got Rebecca. Here we've got Mary and Martha.
Oscar, you're in the veggie garden again.
And that's Oscar. He's a pain in the ass. Right, here we've got the new little babies. And then here we've got the egg layers. Oh yeah, here's the hen house here, one of the hen runs. Shed there. And here we've got baby lambs. Got heaps of lambs at the moment. And then over here we've got another hen run. Alright, so here we've got the weaners. If you're a vegetarian, I suggest you don't listen now. These guys are just about ready to be eaten.
Nursery. Oh, the little cats just ran and hid in their nest. Oh, there's one.
Here's the mama. Yeah, so that's an update on what's been happening on the farm. So I hope you guys like it, subscribe. Alright, see you next time.